Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Slipknot mask review. The last one we got for now is the Sid Wilson gas mask pretty much. I was able to get one on eBay. It was really dirty and I sent it to Corey Pommer for cleaning and strapping it. Thank you very much for it. So it looks pretty nice now. Very clean, it smells good. Took the glass out, a little bit rust here. Yeah, the straps. He did a really good job with the straps, so it fits perfectly on my face. I'm gonna quickly put it on, show it to you guys. So that's my Sid Wilson mask. I think it's the Iowa version or so, self-titled. Not sure though. I mean, I'm wearing the suit right now, it looks fucking amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it, hopefully you can see the straps. It really fits me perfect, I mean, like a second face or something. Yeah, great mask. Good deal with it. Nice straps. Perfect. So yeah, that's about it. If you want to know something, feel free to comment, subscribe, whatever. And stay sick, my friends.